The NVIDIA CEO recently he told, right, he's saying like the number of jobs are going to be increasing more than the number of jobs that are going to be reduced by AI. That's what he told, and even he has shown the proof like in the GitHub, the number of commits over the last 4 or 5 years he has shown like they are increasing drastically, not like in 10% or 20%, more than 100 200% they are increasing, especially in the first 5 months of 2026. The number of git commits happened are literally they are shooting up 200 300% than regular commits, so pull requests and all those things. So what he is trying to say is that the jobs are going to increase. Maybe there will be some jobs that will be jobs will be lost because they are going to be irrelevant, but the number of new jobs that are going to be created by AI is going to be even more than what the jobs that are going to cut. So not only that, even OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, he also told that earlier, maybe a year or sometime back, he told that AI is going to reduce the jobs like anything. But now he's also coming back and telling that no, I think I have estimated it wrong. The number of jobs maybe are going to reduce, but like there are going to be more new jobs and in new different types of jobs, roles, everything, technologies, all those are going to differ. So the type of work you are doing may change, but there will be work, so you don't need to worry, and you don't need to think your job will be lost. Nothing as such. You just try to evolve, try to learn new things, and keep up with the latest trends and technology. So if you are doing that, then it is good enough. You don't need to worry. So that's what the top two CEOs of the world are saying. So it's up to you. Try to groom yourself, try to learn new technologies, especially related to AI, and that will help you survive for some more time. So I hope this helps.